Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is September 26th, coming up to the end of the week, end of the month, end of a quarter. So quarterly stock numbers out on Friday. We'll see what they have to say for us and see if there's any major surprises. Probably in the way that it's setting up right now, probably not a lot of surprises out of these quarterly stock numbers. Ending stock numbers will be final here as of September 1st. So some of the focus today, though, is harvest progress, a little bit slower than what we had or what the trade was looking for. So corn coming in at 11% complete and 10% here as far as the beans. A little bit behind what the trade average guess was and a little behind where we were last year, but the American farmer out there is pretty amazing as far as getting this crop out of the ground and harvesting at a pretty fast pace when we need to. So some of the other focus today will be the lack of sales here at 8 o'clock. No announcements once again here this morning at 8 o'clock. No further sales. Right now is a time where we typically do gain some sales and have good pace for exports on beans. And so nothing announced here this morning. We do have a little bit lower start this morning. Corn starting off down about 0.5 cent. Beans down about 3 overnight, but very light volume. So we expect to see more of this lighter volume as we go into this report on Friday. So not a lot of change, not a lot of news in order to really generate any new direction. Now beans may end up, we could see a little bit more of a setback here for beans at this time. We did go up and test some significant chart resistance and now has backed off. So we'll see what happens as far as beans, but no sales or cancellations here at 8 to get excited about here once we restart. Looking at livestock, cattle down sharply after the cattle on feed report that we had last week. In the negative numbers, we have seen this push lower. We'll see if we do get any further downside pressure here at this time. Cash will be king. We've got to see where the cash markets fall here this week. Will we get some better markets or not in order to maybe stop the negative news that we had out on Friday? Looking at hogs, a lot of back and forth trade there, and we can maybe we get a little bit more strength out of the hogs as we try to put in some kind of a seasonal low in here and maybe get some strength as we get into October. But expect some choppy markets. There's not a lot of news out here to speak of, but the yields that have been coming in from early harvest have been good and been a little bit better than expected is all you hear. And so it is the early stuff. And like I said, with the numbers we had before, we're not out there. We don't have a lot of it harvested yet. But the early stuff certainly is looking good here at this time. So give us a call if you have any questions. We are here to help you out. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Have a great day.